Making your own baby food puts you in control of what goes into your child's meals and will save you money at the grocery store. It also gives parents a more hands-on role in the process of discovering their little one's culinary preferences. It might sound like an intimidating and time-consuming task, but in reality, the process is pretty simple. You can make an endless variety of single and multiple ingredient baby blends with just 2 basic steps: steaming or roasting, and then blending. Fruits, vegetables, and proteins can be roasted in the oven or steamed on the stovetop, microwave, or in an electric food steamer.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best baby food blender. So let's get started. Number 5. Baby Brezza Glass 1-Step Baby Food Maker. If you're looking for an all-in-one system to streamline the baby food making process, the Baby Brezza is going to be your new favorite kitchen tool. It steam cooks, then automatically switches to blending, so you can fill it, start it, and walk away while it works. Doing all the cooking and blending in the same appliance helps cut down on dirty dishes, and the Brezza works quickly, with most recipes ready to serve or store in 10 to 15 minutes. An LCD control panel houses the versatile settings, making it easy to choose between steam only, blend only, or steam and blend. The glass bowl holds up to 4 cups of food and is dishwasher safe. If you want to save a few dollars, there's also a Baby Brezza model with a plastic work bowl that costs a bit less. The Baby Brezza includes a spatula to help you scrape every last bit of food from the blender and a recipe book to start your creative cooking juices. Number 4. BEABA Babycook Neo Baby Food Maker. The BEABA Babycook Neo is an all-in-one system, but the big draw with this model is its eco-friendly materials. Parents who prefer plastic-free items will appreciate the glass and stainless steel construction. The Babycook system can steam and blend fresh ingredients. It promises to turn raw fruit, vegetables, and even meat and fish into ready-to-eat or freeze baby meals in just 15 minutes. The BEABA can also be used to warm and defrost cold or frozen baby meals straight from the fridge or freezer, a useful feature if you prefer not to use a microwave for heating. Parents who prefer baby items that fit in with their decor will appreciate BEABA's modern design and attractive color choices. It has a small footprint, so it won't take up too much space on the counter, or could even be tucked into a cabinet. Number 3. Vitamix Immersion Blender. You don't need a huge blender to make big batches of baby food in advance. A handheld immersion or stick blender can process both small and large quantities of food without taking up too much kitchen real estate. The Vitamix Immersion Blender is a plug-in model with a 5-foot cord, so you'll have plenty of reach. The 625-watt motor with 5 variable speeds helps you create any texture you want and control exactly how smooth or chunky baby's meals will be. A big draw of an immersion blender is the ability to blend one-handed right in cooking pots, bowls, cups, and wide-mouth mason jars. The Vitamix can fit in any vessel with at least a 3-inch wide opening. As infants begin to transition to eating what the family eats, this immersion blender can be used to process their portion into an age-appropriate texture and consistency right before serving. Number 2. Ninja SS351 Footy Power Blender and Processor System. The Ninja Footy Power Blender makes the list because of its tremendous versatility and value. If you want a multifunctional appliance that can help you make baby food, but can also be used to feed the rest of the family, a powerful standard blender like the Ninja is your best bet. It even comes with lots of blending containers for your family's needs. It includes a standard blending pitcher, a blending cup for smoothies, and a bowl that's ideal for churning frozen recipes without much liquid, like smoothie bowls and frozen desserts. The Footy Blender has a 1,400-watt motor that can handle everything from crushing ice, blending frozen ingredients for smoothies, mixing dough, and yes, processing steamed ingredients into textured baby meals. The variable speed dial lets you control the consistency of your baby recipes, and there are 6 preset blending functions for smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough. Number 1. Vitamix Ascent Series A2300 Blender Family Pack. Yes, the price tag on this Vitamix model is splurge-worthy, but it takes our top spot because it's one of the most versatile and coveted blenders on the market. Vitamix created this family pack to include extra storage containers to make and store batches of baby food or smoothies to go. It comes with the trademark Vitamix 64-ounce, low-profile blending container, a 20-ounce lidded blending cup, and a pair of 8-ounce lidded bowls that are the perfect size for making fresh baby meals. Additional bowls are available for separate purchase, and all bowls, cups, and blender jars are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The blender is equipped with self-detect technology that enables it to recognize when the blending cup or bowls are being used and adjust the blender's speed and power for their smaller size. The Vitamix A2300 packs a whopping 2 horsepower motor, which is more than enough power to make ultra-smooth purees out of tougher ingredients, like leafy greens and dried prunes, and whip up smoothies great for the whole family, including young children, frozen desserts, fresh nut butter, soups, and more. That was our list of the top 5 best baby food blender just for you.